The 2006 LS430. The Lexus LS430 is among the easiest of the big luxury cars to live with. It handles well with effortless steering and excellent grip. Its power delivers strong performance and is paired with a smooth ride and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, aluminum wheels, side airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.